Welcome to my quick tip, how do I find your videos? Navigating the YouTube homepage. It's not uncommon for somebody to contact me who's seen a video of mine in the past and they're trying to find it again, but they're having trouble locating it. Or somebody has a question about a specific subject matter and they want to know if I have a video on that particular subject. It's for those reasons that I decided it might be a good idea to put this quick tip video together on how to navigate the YouTube homepage and even how to find it. This is my YouTube homepage, and this is the URL on how to find it. This is a custom URL that will take you directly to the homepage for my YouTube channel. I'll put it in the description so you can copy it and save the link. One of the nice things about this page, not only does it give you access to all the videos that I've published on YouTube, from this page you can connect to my website and you can connect to my Facebook page. Now I'll do a quick overview of the page and show you some of the features. The name of my page is Rick Zerwitz Watercolor, and this is the Home tab on the home page. If you enter the URL I gave you, it will take you to the Rick Zerwitz Watercolor homepage. And this is the overall page. It has a featured video, it has some featured playlists on it, it has a menu with a number of tabs on it, it has a subscribe button, and it has links to my website and to my Facebook page. Might be a little hard to see, but I'm moving my cursor across the menu there, and you can see the various tabs. Then I'm moving up to a subscribe button on the right, that red button. Then right there in the top right corner is a link to my website. If you click on it, it'll take you to my website, and I'm going to click on the video tabs of my website. It's here that I have some of my feature videos listed, but I also put the reference for some of my paint-alongs, or for all of my paint-alongs, here on this tab on my website. So this is an important page that you want to be able to access if you're going to do the paint-alongs. That's where I have the drawings and the photo reference and the finished painting images. So you can get there from this page by clicking on the website. Now I'm also going to click on Facebook, and this will take you to my Facebook page. So it's kind of nice, from this one page you have access to my videos, my website, and Facebook. So here I'm remaining on the home tab of my home page. As I scroll down, there's a select video, and then what you see are a number of playlists that I've placed on that page, and you can look at a given playlist there, and you can see the videos that appear under that particular playlist, and that one's Beginning Watercolor. And if you index across, you can see more videos that are in that playlist. So these are just select playlists that I've placed on my home page. So now I'm back at the top, and my cursor is going across the various tabs that are part of the home page, and I'm going to click on the video tab, which is right beside the home tab. And what that brings up is a page which has every video that I have posted on YouTube in chronological order. So these are appearing in chronological order, in the order they were posted on YouTube, and they go all the way back to my very first video, which was about 10 months ago. I'm going to go back up to the top here, and I'm going to go to the playlist tab, which is right beside the videos tab. And this shows my playlist, which I have posted on YouTube. And all those videos that were on that previous page are under these playlists by category. So I have transparent watercolor demonstrations, newscasts, paint-along, narrated tutorials, beginning watercolor, quick tips, and materials and equipment. Those are my categories, and you can see the number of videos I have under each playlist. So when I click on one of those playlists, I'll get the very first video, and then to the right, the remaining videos on that playlist up here, and you can select from that. So these are beginning watercolor tips. In this case, they go from 1 to 17. So these playlists are set up by the type of video. So you can go to my beginning watercolor tip playlist and see all the beginning watercolor tip videos that I've done. So it's a nice way, they're categorized, and if there's a particular type of video that you want to see, you can just click on that particular playlist, and then it brings up all those videos. In this case, I've clicked on the narrated tutorials. So these would be all the videos that I have done where I do step-by-step narrated instruction. And it's a nice way to be able to navigate the types of videos. This next tab I've clicked on is the community tab. And this is a new tab. I just received it, and not everybody has this on YouTube. You have to reach a certain level of subscribers to be given it. But it acts kind of like a Facebook page for YouTube. So it's a way for me to directly communicate with the people who subscribe to my channel. And that's relatively new to YouTube. The next tab are channels. I don't have anything listed there. And then just some general descriptions about the home page, about my channel. So this is the home page, and it can be a very useful tool for navigating my content on YouTube, Facebook, and my website. And once again, this is the URL that will take you to my YouTube homepage, and I will list this in my description for this video. I hope you've had a chance to check out Rick Surratt's Watercolor Friends and Subscribers on Facebook. And if you do have questions, you can reach me at contactrsurrattsart@gmail.com. It's questions I've received through this email and through comments on the video that prompted me to create this particular video on how to navigate my homepage. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.